Okay, I forgot to video my headboard, so that is halfway done. And I have the leather. This is going to bolt onto the existing wall that is in there. And I did that, and I forgot to show you. So I'm making the other one. So I'm gonna make a video of me making this one. So I glue this together my way. Yeah, I know I'm using the wrong one. This one is dead. Sorry. So this is the second headboard I'm doing. I did one before. I put it up. I don't like it. I don't like it because it's supposed to be white and black and not black and white. There we go. That's the back. This is me sitting on the floor. My back is on fire. There we go. Not my best work today, not my best work today. I put up that one, I don't like it. It's not as I imagined. What I had imagined in my head, it's not how it comes out. So there it is. Not a fan of it. It's supposed to be white and black, not black and white. So there's a mark already, so that's why I know what to go with. Oh crap! This one get punctured. I hope no one come and put their finger in and dig it open. Fuck! Thought that one hold. Oh. Nope, this one damaged. Still leveled, but messed up. I don't like it. The vision in my head didn't come out good. Now, oh dear Lord, this is a boo-boo right there. That's the headboard complete. I never ever can get these things to be like so smooth. I don't know, I'm not a good bed fixer-upper person. Now I need a pair of anything to put over there, because the reason why those are up there, there's a door there and that blocked off the door, so I put that there. I don't have a pair, but I really do need a pair so it can be evened out. So guys, this is the headboard that I just built. Oh, I got stuck. Okay, this is the headboard I just built. I don't like it, as I mentioned before, and I'm going to continue to say that, because you can't see the black, because it was supposed to be white and then black, and I bought the wrong thing. I don't know, what do you guys think? Please give me your opinion. Trying to get some pictures as well in it. This is the rest of the room, and you have a garbage bin right over there, guys. And I also turning this into white, but I'm not sure if, you know, I'm gonna be here that long. So I started off right there and I ran out of paint. So this is the room, guys. It gets a little facelift, needs another facelift, and I need a ceiling fan. But apart from that, the room is good. The room is nice. You have the AC, the fan break. I had a fan in here, but no longer. And then here's the other room, guys. The other room is over here, king size room with its own bathroom. King room with its own bathroom. I got this put up there. It's magnified 10 times. And this is the king room. This is the king room. Look at the headboard that I designed, but I didn't build it. Someone built it and it came out perfect. The more white, the better. And with the contrast, with the black leatherette, that brings it out. You know, this is the room, the king room. And I think it's 45-inch telly. Yes, guys, nice room. Come down for November, December. This room is a private room. All the rooms are private. This is a private bathroom. You get this private bathroom with that one. However, as I mentioned, I have two rooms, a 2-room Airbnb, shared living, kitchen, dining. This bathroom, you share this bathroom with, oh God, make sure it's good. That's the shared bathroom, guys, with me. Okay. It's a nice, beautiful place. And this is my workstation now. It would be better in an hour when I clean up. This is my office right here. And I am a proud mother of my second daughter. She's in the U.S., in the U.S. Coast Guard. Did I get it right? Something like that. Yeah, I never can remember. This is my guy. Yeah, sorry, guys. Yes, so this is the living area, which is it's a working station now. So I put away the saw, the drill and everything. And this is the living area that I'm cleaning up now.